Resting between sets in calisthenics. Low amounts of rest is always better for hitting true failure as compared to high amounts of rest, because you recover when you take high amount of rest. And really, if you think that there's a problem with low rest periods, you're mistaking it. There is literally no problem with low resting periods, and you should go for low resting periods as compared to high resting periods if you're not really training for powerlifting. Low rest allows you to hit true muscle failure. The stimulus for muscle growth is really high because you are literally at your limit. You are literally lowering your limit with every single set. So you are actually squeezing everything out of your muscles. And if you're doing that, congratulations, you'll get better gains. How to actually use low resting periods to your advantage as much as you can. Do down workouts. If you don't know what a down workout is, check out this video. A down workout has a specific exercise. Let's say you're training push-ups. So you perform, let's say 15 push-ups, you take 30 seconds of rest, 14 push-ups, 30 seconds of rest, 13 push-ups, and this is how you perform a down workout, and you do it until you reach 1. And when you reach 1, you call it a down workout. Now your ability to start from a particular rep may vary according to your level, but make sure to use this style of training to get the most out of low rest periods and get the most out of every single workout. Also, do unbroken sets. What a broken set is. Now, what is a broken set? A broken set is a set where you pause whilst you're performing the movement. So do an unbroken set if you want to maximize your results and maximize your performance, because when you break a set, you are really pushing your ego rather than pushing yourself. So make sure to do unbroken sets to maximize low resting periods, to maximize the results of low resting periods, and to maximize the overall results of your workouts. Make sure to follow these principles when you rest between sets in your next workout, and you'll experience mad gains. You'll be fucking sore, and you'll have a lot of adaptation and increase in muscles when you recover. Nothing has ever stopped a man who really wanted to do something in life. Peace.